Loose stainless steel cable ties everywhere. Hard to organize, easy to lose, and not practical during installation. Here's a simple and effective solution: a holder for ball-lock stainless steel cable ties. The set includes a cable tie holder, a key ring, and a carabiner for easy attachment. Once assembled, the holder is compact, durable, and ready for everyday use on site. Insert the stainless steel ball lock ties into the holder to keep them organized and always within reach. Attach the holder to your belt using the carabiner. Even during movement, the ties stay securely in place. Stay organized and work more efficiently. For more practical solutions, subscribe to the LOOB channel.